are looking for a three-tiered bathroom light fixture in black polish and glass, hook up to a switch, this product may be something that you are looking for. Check online for further detail about how this can work for you in different increments of lighting. So what we're going to be doing is showing you how to install and set up the light fixture. We're going to hang up on the wall, open up the package, show you what you get inside, the instruction pamphlet with all the information. Opening up through the plastic bag is the bar with the three lights made of metal wiring, and you have a nice close-up look at the product, black polish with all aluminum, unscrewing the sockets of each. Inside are three glass clear housing covers. I have here in the package all the hardware, material, upper bracket, inner bracket, house nuts. We're going to take the bracket, bolt, nut, place through and align and place onto the junction box on the wall. As we do this, what we're going to do, the next step is to take the bar, the two shafts, run the leads through, and once we get all the leads through and screwed on to the bar, we are going to then take the actual nuts off with the washer and lock washer, and we're going to then connect the black and white leads together and going to put them through the plate and wire them all up as you see over here. Once everything is all attached, then we're going to go back to the wall, and what we're going to do is hook up our neutral and load and put the bell house nuts on, and we are ready to put on the glass covers and the sockets as seen. The sockets, each one's rated for 60-watt light bulbs, not included. We are going to take the sockets off, put on the covers, and screw down. As we are with the light bulbs putting in, they are LED COBs. We have the light fixture all lit up, presenting a nice soft Kelvin for the bathroom. They're clear with black polished finish. Check online for further detail about your product and the sizes you are looking for. You can hang it in a living room, a bathroom, a hallway, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy this product if you are looking for a bathroom fixture of your choice. Thank you very much for viewing and enjoy your product.